Good morning, students. Welcome to online English class. Today we will read a new topic, book brain and heart method. Okay. So let us start a paragraph. Okay. Maria was an 18 years old girl. She used to work in a bakery. She was very helpful and polite. All those who came to the bakery would always ask for her assistance. Abha used to work with her, but she didn't like her. Maria never understood why Abha didn't like her. She used to feel dejected about it. Okay. Now students, there are some questions which we can tell by looking only the text. These questions are like when, what, where and who. Okay. These are book questions. Okay. For example, who was Maria? Maria was 18 years old girl. Okay. Next question is, what was the name of the girl who worked with Maria? Abha. Answer is Abha. Okay. Next question is, who used to ask for Maria's assistance? Okay. Answer is all those who came to the bakery. Okay. These are the book questions. Okay. Next is brain questions. Okay. Students, some answers are not given directly to the text. Some answers are not given directly in the text. So we need clues from the text to answers. These are brain questions. Okay. For example, our brain question is, why did Abha not like Maria? Okay. All those Answer is all those who come to the bakery who would always ask for us assistance. Okay. So the Abha jealous from Maria. Okay. This is why she dislikes Maria. Some other brain questions are, find the meaning of the word dejected using the LUPRC strategy. Next is, make a sentence using the word dejected. Okay. These type of questions are brain questions. Okay. Finally, students, there are some questions where we need to share our feelings, opinions and connections. Okay. These are the hard questions. For example, question is, like Maria, do you also feel dejected when someone dislikes you? For this, we have to share our feelings, opinions and connections. Okay. Some other some other hard questions are, how do you feel about working in a bakery like Maria? Next is, how do you feel about people like Maria who are polite and helpful? Okay, students, whenever we think about an answer, firstly we have to think whether this is a book question, brain question or heart question. Okay. Okay, students, our book questions are which can be answered by looking at the text. Brain questions are which are looking for textual clues and info. And hard questions requires to share our opinions or feelings. Okay. These are our book brain and heart method. Okay. Our next topic is subject verb agreement. Okay. Look an example. Shinu run to the hospital. So students, in this sentence, Shinu is our subject. Shinu is singular and verb run. Is it singular or plural? Students, it looks like a singular verb. But in the simple present tense, a singular verb ends with an s. Okay, Shinu run to the hospital. No, this is not correct. So our sentence is Shinu runs to the hospital. Our correct sentence is Shinu runs to the hospital. Okay. Singular verb ends with an S. Okay. Next, if we have plural sentence. Okay. Mary and Shinu run to the hospital. Now students, Mary and Shinu is plural. Now we have plural subject. Okay. And our verb run, what is this? Is this singular or plural? Can you tell? Students, run हमारी क्या है? Plural verb. Plural verbs do not have an s at the end. Means जो plural verbs होती है वो हमारी s से end नहीं होती. Okay. So Mary and Shinu run to the hospital. Okay. The subject must always agree or match with the verb, which means a singular subject takes a singular verb. Okay, and plural subject takes a plural verb, and this is called the subject verb agreement. Okay, now students, look at the example. The dogs jump over the fence. The dogs is plural, and our verb jump is also plural. Our verb jump is also plural. Okay. Now, our next sentence is the dog jumps over the fence. The dog is singular subject, and the verb jumps is also singular because our verb ends with s. So this is singular. So students, there is an agreement. There is an agreement with each other. Okay. Students, now look at the next sentence. I run every day. Now I is singular and the run is plural. Okay. Look more sentences. Pronouns you and I take the plural verb. Means जहाँ पर I और you जो है हमारे subject होएंगे और ये pronouns है ये क्या है इसके साथ हमारी verb जो होएगी plural होगी. Okay. Look more examples. I like cake. You paint well. I and you are singular subjects, but we use plural verbs here. Okay, like and paint are plural verbs. Okay, so when we use I and you, okay, singular subjects I and you, then we use plural verbs here. Okay. Now students, please look here. The subject and the verb should always agree with each other. Okay. Singular verbs in the simple present ends with letter S. In pronouns you and I take as plural verbs. Okay. Okay student, this is about for today's class. Thank you.